Hey, I know for a fact this thing is on go. It's Mr. 20 West. It's time to go ahead and start the show. Hey. Alright, let's ride, shawty. What is going on, my beautiful people? It's your boys, Mr. Freaking 20 Washington Hazel. Let's go. Hold on, let me put my helmet. Okay, there we go. Yes, sir, we on a nighttime ride. It's a nighttime vlog. It's a vlog of the nighttime. I'm on my way to work anyway. You know what I mean? Yada to me. Shout out to Vegas, because Vegas is where it's at, baby. Straight up. Alright, so this is my third video. This is my third time trial and error video. Okay, I got the purplepanda microphone completely set up in my helmet. I tested it out this morning and everything was good. It was crisp. Wasn't no issues. What? How does guy see me? How did he know I'm a motorcycle other than my one headlight? It's like I don't even know. That guy just saw me and I seen him deuce down, but I'm like, bro, it's dark out here. I don't think the rules apply at nighttime. They only apply in the daytime. I don't write the rules. I just, you know what I'm saying, I just read them from the book. Okay, like I said, this is my third time, dude. This is like if it don't work now, I'm gonna have to consult my cousin and ask him to tell me how to set up my GoPro correctly, even though I have set up hundreds upon hundreds of GoPros, seen us, and all type of crazy. Like, listen, I felt like when I bought the purplepanda microphone that, do you see how I'm saying it too? Purplepanda microphone, how I said it. I felt like I already knew how to hook it up because I've already hooked up 1,000,001 microphones to GoPros. I am the originator of good audio, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's where I'm at. You know, I'm not claiming it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Nah, seriously. That's one of the motovlogging aspects of motovlogger. It's the part that people rarely ever talk about, or if they do talk about it, it's like, let me give you a summary or synopsis of how this works, and it'd be like, I hope you can see my hand. Look, a summary or synopsis of how this works. Audio has a lot to do with motovlogging. I mean, of course, you know, you can't have a motovlog without talking. It's not a motovlog. Me and my wife actually seen a video of a lady who was like, yeah, I'm motovlogging, right? So, oh, and by the way, this video, the topic is, of course, purplepanda microphone. Shout out to the people who really be needing topic bullet points. Y'all keep your boy on point. We watched this lady and her video said motovlog, so I was waiting for her to talk for the freaking longest. She never said a word, bro. Like, she never said a word. And I was like, I don't think that's a motovlog. I don't think, you know, and a lot of people, they try to do this whole thing like a motovlog is whatever you want it to be, and it's like, no, it's vlogging and you're on a motorcycle. Motovlog, baby, it makes sense. It made sense to me when I heard it. I was like, yeah, I definitely want to do that. I be having topics and stuff and stories. I got so many stories that if you see when I started my YouTube page, I've literally been telling stories from day one, which I still got 1,000,000,000 more stories. It's just I felt like I needed to take a break and create good audio, man, and to get this good picture going. Whoa. Oh, it's kind of creepy over there. You ever look at a school at night? It looks hella creepy. Hella really creepy. So if you're watching this and you see me run a red light, most likely because I don't have a car behind me to pick up on lights, and lights go off of a sensor that's in the road, and I don't know if it's weight activated or if you roll over activation, but I've been trying to figure that out for the longest. Look at that. Look how creepy that is. School at night, boy. What is that? But every time I pull up to a light, I'll be trying to find the center. So I look down on the ground, and you can see black lines close to the light, and I think that's the center. So I run over it, and it still doesn't pick up on me. So if you ever see me run a light, that's mainly why. I wish the light would actually like go for motorcycles, but they only go for cars, and I'll be waiting there freaking forever waiting on a car to come there. I'm pretty sure a police officer would be like, you ran the light, and I'd be like, bro, like, no, I didn't. There's no car for the light to go. So yes, I kind of did, but no, I kind of didn't, because I was sitting there for the longest. I was sitting there for like 5 hours, you know, just sitting. And then they'd be like, why you just didn't run it? But yeah, you know, these cameras can do 1080p. That's what I wanted from the beginning of starting my channel, was 1080p, right? And as time progressed, I went out and I got me a Cena 10C, and the Cena was supposed to give me 1080, but it didn't. It gave me like 720. It was hit and miss. I had the Cena 10C. It was hit and miss with it, you know. It's like, Cena brand is good. It's not great. It's not wonderful. It's just good. It's a good, I would say a good starter audio pack, because everything else, they got other stuff that is, the Cardio Talk. I keep hearing people keep telling me about that thing. But with that, it has, with the Cena 10C, it had a good audio too. So when I would make my videos, the audio was already in the video because it's connected to the Cena. So when I was recording, I was getting audio and visual. But they don't, the thing that GoPro does is it records your audio and your picture in 2 different files. So if I wanted to take out some of my audio or clip some of my audio, I could. Look at this new gas station they just built. This has been built in 2 months. I swear to you, bro, 2 months this has been built. This was nothing at first, just pure land. Like, Vegas does not play when it comes down to building, bro. Their construction workers are on point at all times. I honestly, for me, and for anybody that's really beginning into this motovlogging, because a lot of people be like, there's people still starting motovlogging is dead. Bro, motovlogging could never die, because bikers will literally always have something to say. I see so many people with cameras on their helmets now, which is so great. Well, I see a lot of people in Vegas with cameras on their helmets, and they may not be making motovlogs, but it's the fact that they have something, some type of proof if somebody hit them. Because people with cars be lying, bro, and it's a saying that they'll straight up lie before they tell the truth. It's like, dang, dude, oh, I didn't pull in front of that guy, and then you run the camera back, he did. Oh, he was speeding, and he was just sitting at a red light. You know what I mean? Like, it's always some crazy stuff. And when you got like a video, and this also for people in cars, bro, if you got dash cam footage, that junk holds up in court, so you win the case automatically. You don't have to, like, it's not he say she say stuff no more. Look at that, the 392 scat pack. I think that's the guy who I see in the morning. But you can look at 7 billion other videos on how to, like, it's a lot of options out here on how to set up your microphone and stuff. But what I really would like, and what I mainly want this video to wrap up on, is I would like GoPro to say, hey, I have this certain group of people buying cameras with microphones and putting it on a helmet. Let me make a mount specifically for motorcycle helmets. There are aftermarket companies out there that are producing mounts specifically for motorcycles. I've seen it. You clip it on your helmet and it's kind of holds it like that, and then they got one that straps I don't like that strap one because you can't close your helmet, and I like to close my helmet a lot. And when you close your helmet, your audio sounds so much better than if you had it open. Yeah, so I would like GoPro to make a biker motovlog setup, like all together. GoPro, the mics, the adapters, and I mean, I feel like they would get some money.